Amy, and I'm actually new to YouTube, and I'm just making my own channel now, but I'm actually starting off with a Kinder Egg. I don't know why I'm starting off with a Kinder Egg, but that's what I'm doing. So, here we go. And this is a frozen one. You can see Elsa and Olaf. Hello. Oh, it has something in there. Of course it does. Anyways, open up the wrapper. Chocolate. This is one of my favorite chocolate. Sorry. But actually, oh, the dark chocolate. Where's the whole white? Oh, I don't like that. Anyways, has some chocolate in it. Just this old box. This nice box. And I'm gonna open it. They have clear boxes. Like, did they change the whole Kinder chocolate? Who do we have? We have Anna! Anna! Hey guys, I'm Anna! It's Coronation Day! She's really cool. And then it has this paper. Just long. And then you can see some characters here. I actually don't really like this. Where is it gone? It's over here. To be honest, I don't really like this chocolate. It's like dark chocolate, and I hate dark chocolate. I had a bit of milk chocolate. A bit strange. Yeah, I think that's dark chocolate. I kind of like it, and I don't like it. I think it's weird. I'm sorry, I'm not making you jealous. I'm not bragging or anything like that. I'm so sorry. That was yummy chocolate. My camera's not really good. Well, I can't tell the difference between this, but I do kind of like it. Well, that's all for today, and I have a guest. Come on. Come on. Phoebe! Oh, sorry. Oh. Sorry. Come on. Come on. Come on, don't be shy. I wouldn't give her chocolate. This is Phoebe. Hi guys, I'm Phoebe. Phoebe. P-H-E-O-B-E. Wait, you're kind of slimy. Well, I'm here just enjoying my chocolate. Don't eat any, because you can die. I'll eat that. Bye. Thank you for watching.